Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We've been camping at Cattail State Park in Arizona. We were just on a hike and now we're gonna hike back to the camper and make some enchilada soup for lunch. Now this recipe is super easy. We're gonna be using a blender today. And here are all of the ingredients that we're gonna measure out and blend together. Let's get started. We've got low sodium chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, whole wheat tortillas, garlic and squeezed ginger, some onion, and some mini pepper. And then we have the juice of a lime. Now my blender does have a hot soup function. If yours does not, you can just blend it in a normal blender and then heat it up on the stove. Now we're just going to drop in some cream cheese, some queso fresco, and a delicious spice mix. Let me tell you what's in it. We've got ground jalapeño pepper, ground cumin, smoked paprika, chipotle chili powder, celery seed, some garlic powder, and Mexican oregano. Then we're just going to blend it up a little bit more. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you try out this chicken enchilada soup recipe and have a great one.